The hidden factory is something we don't often talk about at work, but it is something we need to be talking about much more. The hidden factory consists of the effort required to redo or fix something that was done incorrectly or incompletely. This concept is easy to understand when you think about widgets rolling off an assembly line. If a Toyota plant is producing cars and 20% of them roll off the line with 3 wheels instead of 4, it's glaringly obvious that there is a defect and those cars need to be remade. The widgets of municipal government look a little different, but the concept still applies. Think about times when you've encountered a situation where rework was required. It could be as simple as an email that was lost in the shuffle and had to be resent, or an incorrectly submitted agenda item that needs to be corrected and put back in the routing cycle. Larger errors can also end up being reworked in the hidden factory. An example might be an RFP that was poorly written, resulting in unviable bids, or a street that is constructed without proper drainage calculations. Whatever the defect is, the resulting waste comes in the form of rework. This can be very costly, both in terms of hard and soft dollars. Rework is also a waste of human talent and capacity. Imagine if processes are streamlined and maintained so that errors are reduced. How would that free us up so that we have the capacity to truly innovate? Again, the hidden factory is something we rarely address head-on, especially when our errors move downstream. They often become someone else's problem to solve. I'm reminded again of the agenda process. The city clerk's office is the final stop on the agenda routing train. When departments put items on the agenda at the last minute that contain errors or are incomplete, it is the clerk's office and the legal department who work after hours on Fridays making sure all the T's are crossed and I's are dotted, while everyone else drives away to start the weekend. The behind-the-scenes fixing goes unnoticed and unappreciated. It becomes the ultimate hidden factory. This video, while totally humorous, illustrates how completely oblivious a person can be to the magical work that happens in the hidden factory.
Babe, did you say you were going to make dinner? I couldn't remember. What?
I just wish you'd take some initiative and cook your own dinner for once. I've been at work too, you know, and now I get to come home and pack the dishwasher and then unpack the dishwasher and cook dinner and put the washing on, and you know what? I can't continue to live like this because it's not me.
Hey, relax. It's going to be all right.
How?
Here, I'll just show you. Okay, I've been doing this since we moved in. See this basket thing? I don't know how it happens, if it's the house or what, but any dirty clothes you put in this basket, somehow the next day they're just clean, folded, and in a perfect pile on your bed.
You're not serious.
I couldn't believe it at first either, but it just keeps happening. That's why I didn't tell you. I didn't want to jinx it.
You are insane.
Try it, you'll see. Unless it's only chosen me. See, I don't know.
I can't do this.
No, wait. There's other things too. Plates, cutlery, pizza boxes, dirty tissues, anything you leave on this coffee table just vanishes overnight. I mean, sometimes I'll see how far I can push this thing and I'll just leave shit everywhere. And then sure enough, the next day, it's all gone. It's just vanished. It's magic. No, she wouldn't have left me. This is what I think happened. I heard her get up in the middle of the night to get a drink or something. She must have fallen onto the magic coffee table and just vanished.
Are you insane?
No, he's not insane. I've got the same coffee table at home.